Hi y'all. I just this minute got back from work, somewhat disheveled, and my living room looks like Unbuild-A-Bear because Moose has been taking all the fluff out of all his dog toys. But you're not going to see my floor yet. I came home and look what was waiting for me. I haven't gotten a trunk in a long time. So now Mary's at work today. She had to work an extra shift, so she can't unbox with me. However, she left this on the end table. So this is going to be my tool for getting this. Hey, this worked pretty good. This open, I think. Let's see what we got. It has really been a while since I got a trunk, and I'm not sure why I waited so long. Oh, here we go. So let's take a look at what's in here. One bundle. And two bundles. Not sure about all the colors there, but we will take a look. And I am going to de-plastic these, and I will be back in a minute. First bundle is unbagged. I really wish they wouldn't do this. Maybe too many people's trunks got like wet, left out on the porch by UPS or something, but that's an awful lot of plastic. Anyway, first bundle is unbundled. Let's take a look first at, here's my invoice. And is there a note? Hello, Monica. That's all it says. Megan usually doesn't leave notes, but this is my invoice and item list. And here's my tapes to tape up the trunk if I want to return it. I will have in the description bar a description of how Trunk Club works and a referral link that if you use to get your trunk, they do give me something back. I get a credit off my next box. So if you want to try Trunk Club, I would really appreciate you using my link, but you don't have to. And they give a prepaid return label. You just stick it back on the trunk and return anything you don't want, send it back out again. Let's see what's in here. An awful lot of gray. Oh, this is a cardigan. I saw some of these things on the preview. I am not sure about the dolphin flipper on that. This is a Pleione, kind of that muted gray that I'm not all that fond of cardigan. Normally what I do is I click, with Trunk Club you get a preview and you can click things you don't want and then they'll replace them with other things, so you get kind of a first refusal on the items that she's going to send. I normally click a lot, no, don't send this, because Megan tends to send an awful lot of stuff that's black and gray, which is not my favorite colors. I know I'm wearing black right now, but it's got nice bright colors mixed in. I'm okay with that. This time, I did that very little. And I saw this on the preview and say, it's not my color, and I'm not sure about the flipper here. But I said, let me try it. Why do I do this if I don't want to see what a stylist has picked for me? So, we'll try that on in a minute. This is also Pleione. Pleione runs big on me. This has got like a little cinched waist. I really like the color. I like bright colors. I know they said redheads are not supposed to wear red, but I love red. I didn't like this on the preview, and I kind of like it in person. See, this is why you should just let them send things. This is what I saw on the preview, and I loved it on the preview, and I hope it fits. This is also, we're heavy on the Pleione brand, Pleione, however you say it. This is just a little hoodie. Look at that color. I love it. And it's got a little hood on it, and it's like a very light, kind of a summer hoodie for gets a little bit cooler in the evening or spring. And it has on it, it's got feathers. I love birds, you know that. Oh, it's got arrows too. That suits this family. No swords, but I used to shoot a bow also. Let's see. And we have, don't tell me, is this Pleione? No, this is 1060 Sherman, whatever that is. And this is a very pale green. And it also has these little ruffly sleeves, which I'm not wild about. But you know what? Let's see what it looks like on. I think this might be too pale a color for me. Real pale colors just look strange on me, I think. You can tell me if you think different during the try-on. And over here, oh, this has got to be Nic and Zoe. It is Nic and Zoe. Oh, do I want to spend on Nic and Zoe this time? This is a gray. I don't mind this kind of gray. It's got kind of a richness to it for gray. It's exactly the right shade, kind of a charcoal gray. This is just a little tee, but it's a nice enough tee that I could wear this with a blazer over it for work. And I love stuff like this. I love my Nic and Zoe tops. They're probably my favorite of any trunk club thing I got. This is... Oh, I saw this and I really liked how this looked in the preview. I hope this fits. This is an olive green little top. Yes, it's roughly on the side, but it looks like it falls in an interesting way. So let's see how that looks. And what brand is this? This is, oh, it's Vince Camuto. All right, I like Vince Camuto. Now, I saw this and I almost said, oh, forget it, it's black. It's a black blazer. But then I thought, I don't know, let me try it. Maybe I'll like it. I have a gray blazer. Ooh, I don't know. I really don't think black's my best color, but we'll see during the try-on. Got little stripy things. It's very similar to the one I got in my Stitch Fix recently that was gray, and I've used the heck out of that. This is Gibson Petite Large, which is the right size for me. So we'll see more of that during the try-on, which may be on this video or it may be on another video, depending on how long this gets. Now this is, you know, the other color I'm not wild about is blue. This actually might be a shade of blue that works for me, because it's really, This is just a little 3/4 sleeve, like knit top, kind of light sweater. And let me see who makes this one. This is Gibson again. I might actually like that. A shade of blue I like. And here's another kind of, this is Aqua. It is looking a little bit paler on camera than it is in person. It seems to be losing some of the color. It's a little bit greener in person. It's more of a genuine aqua. And it is another little simple summer top. Oh no, it's got a thing on it. Is that a, yeah, it's got a little gathery thing on it. We'll see how that is. Now on to the second bundle. Okay, second bundle. A denim jacket. I've been wanting a dark wash denim jacket. This is kind of a medium wash, but it's not, it's actually darker than it looked on, this is by Vince Camuto. It's darker than it looked on the preview, which is good, because I want something, I don't like real pale denim jackets, and it has pockets. Do you remember that one she sent in my last trunk? I hope these are real pockets. If these are fake, holy cow, are they fake pockets? No, that's a real pocket. It's just stitched shut, I guess. We'll find out during the try-on. There was a really nice cut from the cloth dark wash denim blazer in my last trunk, and I returned it only because it didn't have pockets, and it looked really good. And I have regretted returning it since I did, but I really use pockets in a denim jacket, so I know she was looking for one for me that had pockets. This I'm really looking forward to. It is a large, not a petite large. We'll see if this fits. This is a little Caslon light knit blazer. I have one of these in gray in a, I think it's a regular medium. It's a little snug on me, but not a lot. And I got it used off of Poshmark for like $10 or something. And it's a little worn, a little tattered, but I really liked it. So here's a new one in olive, which I do like an awful lot. So I'm really excited to try that on. And now we get to trousers. We'll see how these fit. Let's see what size this is. 12P. This is Nic and Zoe. And I do need work pants. I can't hold it up here because that would be dumb, but you want to see it. So we'll see more of this in the try-on. Even in petite sizes, the dressier pants tend to be longer because they expect you to wear heels, and I can't wear heels because of my neuroma. So, but Nordstrom, by the way, if you get something from Trunk Club and you want it hemmed or altered, you can either get it done for free at Nordstrom if you bring in your Trunk Club receipt, or at a minimal cost if it's a more complicated change. Like simple hemming, they'll just do it for free. So if they're a little long, I can get that adjusted because I do have a Nordstrom near me. And here is kind of some twill pants. I think these are Wit and Wisdom. Yeah, I've been wanting to try these. These are 12P. Now, in my jeans are usually 10s, and my dress pants are usually 12s. And right now, I'm sort of between the two sizes. I put in about 5 pounds, and those 5 pounds make a difference. My 10s still fit, but they're snug, and the 12s are just a little bit loose. So we'll see how these fit. All right, we will do a try-on. I'll probably wait for Mary to get home to do the try-on. And hopefully we'll be able to get all this stuff on one video. If not, you'll see it in 2 videos. Okay, see you soon. Hi guys, I just tried on the items in the trunk, and I decided I'm going to break this video into 2 different videos just to keep the size more manageable. I will have item names and prices below. You can click if you want to see what those were, and I'll have a link to the try-on video below. And I am in serious trouble because this was a really good trunk. So I have some decisions to make. So watch the try-on video when I get it up, and please give me your feedback on how the things look on me. So I will see you shortly with the try-on.